and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to insert a page number into a Word document. Stay with me till the end. First click on insert, then here in the middle you can see we have header and footer. The header is when we want to place the page number at the top of the page, and if you want to place it at the bottom you use footer. I'll show you both ways. Let's start with the header. Click on the header. Then we have different designs here. I want to choose this one. Click on this. Now if you want to position it on the center, you select this one and then click on page number. Select this, click on page number and then current position. And if you want to place it on the right side, select that right placeholder, then go to current position and then place the page number. If you want it to the left side, select the left placeholder, then current position, then you can choose either design. This will add the page number. This is just to show you how you can align or position the page number in different sides of the page. Then after doing so, you can see that the information of the page number has been added on each page. If you want to place the page number at the bottom of the page, again go to insert, then footer. Again you can choose either of the design. Let's use this one. If I want to place this to the left side, now select this one, then go to page number, current position. This will add the page number at the footer. So you can see on the footer the page number information has been added. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.